the simple things in life. Either it does or doesn't feel right. It's the simple things in life. Come on, baby, let's ride.
Hey guys, it's SmilesBehindLupus coming to you with a cleaning tips for chronic illness when cleaning your bathroom to be a part of our cleaning series. Real life. So I intentionally waited to do the tub for a week and a half. I wanted to show you how I clean it. So last night I still have to take this off. I change out our shower curtain every month. I just get them. They have the strong ones, the clear ones at Dollar Tree. So I do that every month. But I wanted to show you how this stuff works that I use. It's 1 part vinegar and 1 part Dawn dish soap. And it has to be Dawn dish soap. So what you do is, if you do 1 cup of vinegar, you do 1 cup of Dawn dish soap. So you warm your vinegar first for 90 seconds in the microwave, and then you pour that in first. Then you pour in your Dawn dish soap. So I use a spray bottle that I get from Dollar Tree because it has the parts on there, which makes it easy to know exactly how much you're supposed to put in there. Then you gently mix it together and you spray. I sprayed this on last night because I wanted it to sit, because I had some lot more stains since I didn't clean it like I normally do it. So what I use to clean, because of my back, I have, hold on 1 second before I show you how I clean it. You can put it on here for 15 to 20 minutes and it will come just as clean as if you left it overnight, just letting you know. And if the stains are harder, let it sit a little bit longer. But I use the my husband brought me the Hurricane Spin Mop. It has different attachments on it. I just have to get the box and show you, because it has like skinnier ones that you can get in crevices, but it lasts on. It's a rechargeable device, and I got it from Walmart. I think it was like 39 bucks. But when you have chronic illness, you have to find products that can help you, that you're not bending and out of breath and scrubbing on your hands and knees to get stuff done. And this works. This method works. So I'm going to spray it down a little bit more. In the heavy areas. And we don't even sit right here, y'all. It's just from when we have like our shampoo bottles that sit there. Don't judge. Don't care if you judge, but this is real life and what we have to deal with when we're trying to keep our house up. So I wanted to show you exactly how I do it. So what I end up doing is I'm trying to do this with one hand. I don't know if it's gonna work. I may have to find something to set the camera on. So I turn my water on hot. Just let it get wet a little bit. That way when I'm trying to brush off, it's easier. And I turn my little Spin Mop on. The button's right here. See, it's going like a big toothbrush. And you apply gentle pressure to the area, and you see how that stuff is already coming up. When I tell you this stuff works, vinegar is amazing. So let me finish this, but I just wanted to kind of give you a review. It's very strong. I'm going to do it with one hand. and it gets stuff out. So what I'm going to do is finish this and show you what it looks like when I get done. Alright guys, I'm rinsing it off. This is only after less than 10 minutes of me not really putting a whole lot of elbow grease because my epidural, and I really can't be doing that. Of course, I have razor tops and little bars of soap right there that I'll get up in a second. We have a handheld nozzle on top of the other one, so our shower is little. So if you see these little spots like on here, that's not dirt, it's just it had a shower door, but we too big to have a door, so that was the first thing we ripped off when we bought the house, is the shower door, because eventually we'll be knocking this wall out right here, and making a big shower because we don't use a tub. But alright guys, so this is the finished. This is just 10 minutes that I've done. I'll probably put one more coat, come back later, and redo some more. But I'm tired, so I would definitely suggest this spray Spin Mop. I'll try to find the box to show you the other attachments that's in the garage. But when I say this is a lifesaver, and normally I try to spray the shower down like every 3 days to keep from not being caked up like it was, but I knew I was doing the cleaning video, so I wanted to just give you guys that little tip when it comes to your bathrooms. Hey guys, so this is the Hurricane Spin Scrubber. No, I was saying mop, I apologize. It's on Amazon for $31, so it's cheaper than what I paid originally. So I do have an affiliate link that I will leave in the description box. So if you click that link, it'll take you straight to it, and I will get a percentage of the purchase. But when I tell you this is worth every dime, I've only had to charge mine once when I first got it about 3-4 months ago, if not maybe longer. So the charge lasts a long time because it's not like when you clean the bathroom, you're not going to be using it for hours on end. So it lasts for a long time. So make sure you go check that out and check out the link in the description box as well.